Every sip is a promise of freshness and purity. Ang tubig nga ginainom mo sigurado nga safe kag luwas. When it comes to staying healthy, nothing is more important than drinking pure, clean water every day. The water you drink must be free from harmful chemicals or anything that can harm your body. Drink clean and pure water every day because your body deserves the best.